Hello everyone, are you curious about the signs of a worn-out bike tire? Let's find out. Recognizing when it's time to replace your bike tires is essential for maintaining safety and performance while riding. Here are some indicators that your bike tires may be worn out. Firstly, inspect the tread pattern on the tire's surface. Worn-out tires often exhibit significant tread wear, which can manifest as visible flattening or smoothing of the tread pattern. If the tread depth is significantly reduced or if you can see threads or fabric beneath the surface, it's a clear sign that the tire is worn out and needs to be replaced. Another indication of tire wear is sidewall damage or deterioration. Check the sidewalls of your tires for cracks, cuts, bulges, or other signs of damage. Sidewall damage compromises the structural integrity of the tire and increases the risk of blowouts or punctures while riding. Pay attention to the overall condition of the tire. If you notice irregularities such as lumps, bumps, or deformities in the tire casing, it may indicate internal damage or delamination of the tire layers. These abnormalities can affect the tire's performance and increase the likelihood of failure while riding. Check for signs of dry rot or aging, especially if your bike has been stored for an extended period. Dry rot can cause the rubber compound to become brittle and prone to cracking, reducing the tire's grip and durability. If you notice cracking or crumbling of the rubber, it's a sign that the tire has deteriorated and should be replaced. Finally, pay attention to how your bike handles and performs while riding. Worn-out tires may exhibit decreased traction, increased rolling resistance, or a rougher ride quality compared to new tires. If you notice any significant changes in your bike's handling or performance, it may be due to worn-out tires that need replacement. By regularly inspecting your bike tires for signs of wear and damage, you can ensure that they remain safe, reliable, and effective for your riding needs. Don't ignore the signs of worn-out tires, as riding on compromised tires can increase the risk of accidents and injuries. When in doubt, err on the side of caution and replace your bike tires to maintain optimal safety and performance on the road or trail. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.